Hello everyone and welcome back into a brand new video. In today's tutorial guys, I will be showing you how to change your location in the settings options of Etsy. So guys, let's get started. Now the first thing that you can try to actually change your location besides settings is basically guys to go to your extensions and basically download Urban VPN. So when you download Urban VPN, you will be able to basically change your IP address from your browser, and then once you go to the settings, it's gonna be changed automatically and you will have your own location changed. And beside of that, we can change it manually, which is simply as I mentioned by going to your account, going to the account settings, and then go into location settings. Now here you can set where you live, what language you speak, and the currency you use. So for example, I would like to change it to the United States. So I'm gonna go like this, choose this one, change it to English, and then change it to the US dollar. So save settings, as you can see. And just like that, you will be able to change your region. It's very simple and easy. Of course, when you go to security, I presume, you would need to change your phone number to that specific region as well. So put that in mind. Otherwise, you will not have any other solution but to go back to the initial country that you were in and then use that number phone that you have, and then verify with it and then switch back to the new region that you want. But otherwise it's very easy to use, to change, or they don't really have any requirements. Just click on save settings and that's it. So yeah, that was pretty much it for today's video guys. If you did enjoy it, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a beautiful comment. If you do have any more questions about Etsy or any other platform, make sure to mention that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching and see you guys in the next upcoming video.